Hello and welcome to another hotel tour. We are staying at the Premier Inn at the Royal Albert Docks in Liverpool. The hotel is close to many attractions and restaurants, and it is next door to the Beatles story. Straight through the main entrance there's a reception desk. There's a cosy seating area. The lifts take you to all the floors of the hotel rooms. Our room was on the second floor and our room number was room 216. The layout of the Premier Inn room was different to what we were used to before. It was very quirky. We had a lovely view of the Wheel of Liverpool and look at the vaulted ceiling. We stayed in a family room that had a double bed and two single beds. Bedside lights and switches on both sides of the double bed. An air conditioning unit and climate control. A tall mirror. A hairdryer. A kettle with cups, glasses, milk, teas, coffees and sugars. There's a desk and also a TV. Spare towels. And a hanging space with extra hangers. There's a huge mirror in the bathroom. A sink. Some branded hand wash. An electrical power point for your shavers. A toilet. And a shower which is situated above the bath, and there's also a shower curtain for privacy. And there is also a branded shower gel which you don't see in many Premier Inn rooms. We sat down for breakfast and it was really busy. We came down about 9 AM and it felt like all of the hotel guests came down at the same time, so my suggestion is to come down at an earlier time. There was the usual offerings of hot food, pastries, breads, jams and spreads, and tea and coffee. All that was there, that was great. There was plenty of choices for fruit and cereals, so a bit of everything for everybody. There was also fruit salad and mixed berries and plenty of yogurts. And there was a variety of fruit juices such as apple juice, cranberry juice and orange juice. We sat down to eat. Although it was busy, it wasn't crowded and we had an enjoyable breakfast.